Kiwalai puræ BSc Nursing yang ke second batch North East Adventist College of Nursing wa emak literci neben taus nem arhajar arpau le hak arpau tarik undiu benai de chim smai ki heyato wo lai luti wo man kam kinos wa kini ke course to ko drong sosnem kani ke BSc Nursing course hagani ke college da sedang ya kana do usnem arhajar arpawi katwa ki wa chim smai hagani wanto ki wa ar nemo ke second batch Yeni Chim smai de ya Ahmad da ka principal in charge kam associate professor NEACUN ka bailindat khar. Ka principal hau ye kelam da pen bok pen nasib ko ye ki wa purenos wo job ilai luti ki chaprang kam ju heyato ikam chakri yongki ne bah em chibun ki wa em kam ye yarab isumar yongki. Da onggale wa em kam em isngau tho ye ki bru wa kujut chitom la heyato I chitom ki heido ipran na iperkhat pradany wa kiwi. Wei kam wa kapang yong gani kasingi onggo you are the light of the world. Ngai skem go wa ki kam yong ki le uterchany kermen ye ki bru wa kujut chitom yo ki ye chait la heido ipran iperkhat wei mensin. Da kentu gale ye ki nos woman ki wasbun mensim hei rukom kre yo wan ra ikermen hei mensim ki bakjun. Neliang ke kongsan yong gani kesingi ke Jomila Pongrop Joint Director Nursing DHS GOM onggo ke charak penyo ko kadak itip ichempang ikermen wei gani kesingi mut dua penche ye che ha ke charang tang wa man le ipenche ye kaluti ikermen imaya wei wo chebe wo lai kat kam kaluti wato. Kam ginos daw ye chem ye kudjat kibro ki ye u ye pher he ngai nem I rukom im wa ki vide tang wa mto uran den em kam uchim ye kam ram de khoj mensin we wo le I chakri wa paka ne bah kam ginos em gi kabor open chait ye thit I perkhan I do I pran we mensin ki wa kujun ong ka Jomila Pongrom hei jo I por kentu haro ko wa to open yo bai de khmat wa kemen wa mensim ye ki wa kujun Hagani kesingi de yo ipure Bible na ka laiti Asmina iduwai na ka Dr. Jemina Marang License and Development Officer ithang ya kacharak dag ido rabla Vice Principal com Associate Professor NEACUN irwai na kikana pure second semester iduwai penuwai na ulai ringa kolni Controller of Examination NEAU Kadwa ki kentin kublai de yo na kapeni na langhu MSc Assistant Professor.
And in the presence of this assembly, to pass my life in purity, and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous. And elevate the standard of my profession. And will hold in confidence. All personal matters committed to my keeping. And all family affairs coming to my knowledge. In the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor. To aid the physician in his work. And devote myself to the welfare. Of those committed to my care.
Today we officially celebrate your presence with us. So today we are lighting the lamp again and we have taken an oath. So your Madam Principal has given a speech on lamp lighting. So I will not repeat it. Okay, it will take time. The only thing that I want to tell you is the flame of the candle today has come to symbolize knowledge, hope, enlightenment, and experience. This flame is not just lighting the light, lighting a lamp, but instead it is lighting up a ray of hope, love, and positivism. So if you are a nurse, you should wear it with pride. And again, I would like to tell you that after you have been trained, you will find that most of the people will not know what you are doing. So you should feel proud, okay? And always exercise, improvise whatever the knowledge that you have received from this college. The psychological, the social, the environmental, cultural and religious beliefs. Because as a nurse we will always meet with people of different religious, caste, creed, isn't it? So we should always bear in our mind, these are the cares that we should always provide to those people. So as a student nurse, we must remember that while pursuing our career, it will be a challenging time. My dear students, remember that we will always face with challenges, okay? But we should not give up. Education in today's world is more than acquiring knowledge. It involves in developing skills, attitudes, behavior, and personality. You need to carry your duties with sincerity and dedication and with a professional approach in delivering the quality healthcare services. As nurses, we are having the ability to heal the heart, the mind, the body and the soul of our patients, right? And remember, the first impression is a lasting impression. So, whenever we are going to the patient, we always give a smile. That smile will always remember by the patients. Clear? And 50% of the sickness will be healed by your first impression. So now we are coming to this nursing profession. What is this nursing profession? Okay, I am taking this opportunity to wish, okay, in your academic and nursing career. Let this be the beginning, okay, that you made today. And again, you always remember to uphold the values and tradition of the nursing profession.